Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Don't get killed, kill the enemy. Raksha Mantri tells Indian soldiers, celebrates his 60th birthday in Goa. Gadkari gives projects credit to Parrikar. ISL tickets sold in black market at twice the normal rates. Tickets for semi-final between FC Goa and Delhi Dynamos sold out. Many fans upset. "18 officers of Goa government transferred, 8 transferred from one department to another, 10 transferred on promotion." And Kalangut unanimously agrees to allow Sunburn. Vagatar also gearing up for EDM festival, 9th edition of Sunburn to be held in last week of December. Now the news in detail. Don't get killed, kill the enemy. Fight for the nation, don't die. This is what Raksha Mantri Manohar Parrikar told the Indian soldiers. Parrikar was speaking at his 60th birthday celebration in Goa. Thousands of people, friends and BJP Karyakartas were present for the celebration. Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh and Union Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari were a part of the public celebration at Kampal.
गडकरी जी, आज इस कार्यक्रम में आपने गोवा क्षेत्र के राजमार्गों के लिए 5,000 करोड़ रुपया जितनी की राशि आवंटित करके हम पर इतना बड़ा एहसान किया है। वो गोवा की जनता की ओर से, गोवा के प्रभारी के नाते मैं आपका तहे दिल से आभार व्यक्त करता हूं।
सगळे खातीर योजना वेगळ्या वेगळ्या पद्धतीन ताणे जनतेपर्यंत पावयल्यो आणि ताची पावती आज ह्या निश्चितपणे ह्या सभेत आणि ह्या जनसागरांत दिसता।
रक्षा मंत्री के रूप में यदि मैं कहूं 96,000 करोड़ केवल साल सवा साल के अंदर, 1 साल सवा साल के अंदर मेक इन इंडिया कार्यक्रम के तहत इन्वेस्टमेंट के बारे में फैसला हो चुका। डिफेंस इक्विपमेंट्स यदि बनेंगे तो भारत की धरती पर डिफेंस इक्विपमेंट्स बनेंगे, नहीं तो मोर देन 70% रक्षा से जुड़े उपकरण, डिफेंस इक्विपमेंट्स यदि हम मंगाते रहे हैं तो दुनिया के दूसरे देशों से मंगाते रहे हैं। लेकिन मेक इन इंडिया कार्यक्रम के तहत उन्होंने फैसला कर लिया, हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी ने जिस कार्यक्रम को लॉन्च किया था, और इतनी थोड़ी देर में 96,000 करोड़ इन्वेस्टमेंट का फैसला कर लिया। और यह नहीं, जो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनीज बाहर से आ रही हैं, डिफेंस इक्विपमेंट यहां पर तैयार करेंगी और फिर वापस चली जाएंगी और टेक्नोलॉजी हमको नहीं देंगी, ऐसा नहीं है। यह भी एग्रीमेंट में, यह भी फैसला हमारे मनोहर पर्रिकर ने करा लिया है। मैन्युफैक्चरिंग भी करोगे, लेकिन तुम्हारे पास जो टेक्नोलॉजी है उस टेक्नोलॉजी को भी भारत को ट्रांसफर करोगे। इतना बड़ा फैसला इस रक्षा मंत्री ने किया है।
डिफेन्स एक्सपोचो विषय आलो, काही लोक हांगा उलोप घालपाचो प्रयत्न करतात। डिफेन्स एक्सपो म्हणजे कितें, जमीन डिफेन्साक म्हणजे म्हाका न्ही ती डिफेन्साक दिली अशें जायना, जाल्यार दिस इज एन ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी वी शूड नॉट मिस। काही लोकांक जर नाका जाल्यार ते हालोवपाक आमकां वेळ लागना, कारण इट इज अ टेम्पररी। पण हांवें आर्मीक सांगलें, देशा खातीर बलिदान करूं नाका, देशा खातीर मरूं नाका, देशा खातीर मारात। मरता कितें? किल द एनिमी, डोंट गेट किल्ड, दॅट इज अ मॅसेज। आणि म्हाका अभिमान दिसता की गेल्या वर्सभराचो परिणाम पळया तुमी, रेकॉर्ड काढा गेल्या 10 वर्साचो, गेल्या वर्स सव्वा वर्सान कितें फरक पडला तो लक्षांत येतलो।
तो कॅम्पेन करपाक वचना, ताका लोक फोर्सान व्हरता। हांवें पळयला लोक कशे कनेक्ट जाता, ते तरेतरेचे लोक। हांव समजता अशे तरी जाल्यार हांव समजता फुडार आमचो बरो आसा। बाब मनोहर पर्रिकर, आप आगे चलो, हम तुम्हारे साथ है। चड आनी चड देव बरें करूं।
ISL tickets are now being sold in black market. Many bookies are selling tickets for 2,000 rupees for North Lower Stand. In fact, the rates for these stand are 500 rupees. This means many tickets are in the wrong hands for the wrong purpose. Many fans of FC Goa were left without Semis tickets. Prudent tried to confirm the black ticketing and the bookie said tickets are available but at 2,000 rupees. Listen to this conversation between our reporter and the ticket seller in the black market. The seller is based in Madgaon.
म्हाका 2 टिकेट जाय आसल्यो
मेळट जाल्यार सांगात तुका
आनी रेट कितें दवरला
रेट तेंगे 2.5 चलत रे
2.5 पयशे टिकेट मेळ्या उपरांत दिवपाचे न्हू
हय तशें कांय ना
पण मेळटल्यो चान्सीस
आं
शुअर मेळटल्यो काय म्हणटा काय
तूं खंयसून उलयता
फोंड्यासून
बरें बरें थंयता हांव तूं खंय आहा तूं सद्या
हांव सद्या फोंड्यात आहा
हांव येवपा मेळटा तुका आतां
खंय येवचो पडटलो
अर्देवर आनी पाव तूं म्हाका पावून फोन मार
खंयचे वटेन मडगांव येवं
हय मडगांव यो
खंय येवं काय म्हणटा
हय शॉपारूय यो
शॉपार अर्द वरान ओके बरें बरें 2 म्हणजे 5,000 जातले न्हू काय 4,000
4,000
4,000
हा जाल्यार एडजस्ट करून दिता तुका
बरें बरें
The fact is, tickets for ISL match in Goa were sold at 480 rupees for North and South stand, 800 rupees for East stand, West stand for 1,300 rupees, and in corporate box, tickets were sold for 5,000 rupees. But they are now sold at 2,000 rupees, the rate which is much higher than the actual prices. The tickets seem to have gone in the wrong hands. This seller purchased the tickets for 500 rupees and is selling it for 2,000 rupees, making a profit of 1,500 rupees for himself. ISL semis is scheduled at Fatorda Stadium on 15 December. The match is between the Delhi Dynamos and FC Goa. Bureau Report, Prudent. 18 officers of Goa government were transferred on Saturday, out of which 8 are transferred from one department to another, whereas 10 are transferred on promotion. The officers will take charge of new duty within the next 3 days.
Ameya Abhyankar has been transferred from Director of Tourism to Director of IT. Shilpa Shinde has been transferred to Director of Women and Child Development. YB Taure has been transferred from Chief Officer Margao Municipality to Additional Collector South. Meghnad Purab has been transferred from CEO North Goa NP to Director of Small Savings and Lotteries. Siddhivinayak Naik has been transferred to Member Secretary GSCW to Chief Officer Margao Municipality. Dipali Naik has been transferred from Director of Women and Child Development to Chief Officer Margao Municipality. Damodar Moraskar has been transferred from Director of Handicraft and Textiles to Additional Collector Sub-District Ponda. MP Signapurkar has been transferred from Joint Secretary Goa Housing Board to Member Secretary of Kala Academy. Narayan Prabhudesa has been promoted from SLAO Tourism to Custodian of Evacuee Property. Shamsundar Parab has been promoted from Assistant Commissioner of Commercial Tax to SP Central Jail. Sneha Moraskar has been promoted from Under Secretary to CM to Joint Secretary ARD. Praveen Bharat has been promoted from Assistant Director of Industries to MDGOS State SC and OBC FDC. Ashok Rani has been promoted from Assistant Commissioner of Excise to Director of Handicrafts and Textiles. Upasana Mazgaonkar has been promoted to Additional Charge of SLAO and GSIDC. Sabaji Shetty has been promoted from Deputy Collector Murmu Goa to MD Joint Secretary Goa Housing Board. Sanjeev Gaus Desai has been promoted from Deputy Collector of Revenue North to Director of Tourism. R.K. Halankar has been promoted from Deputy Registrar Government Polytechnic to Additional Charge of SLAO and GSIDC. Margaret Fernandez has been promoted from SP Central Jail to Director of Public Grievances. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.